Is your Apple Pay telling you your account is restricted? Don't panic. You're not alone, and we're here to get you back to tap-to-pay in under 90 seconds. First, identify why your account is restricted. Open your wallet app if you see a message stating card suspended or similar. Tap on the card to see more details. Review your recent transaction history. Look for any declined payments or unusual activity. This often triggers security measures. Next, check your Apple ID settings. Head into your settings and select your name or picture. Then select the payment and shipping address. Make sure this information is completely up to date and matches with what your bank has on file. Incorrect date and time settings on your iPhone can also cause issues. Go to settings greater than general greater than date and time and ensure set automatically is enabled. If the problem persists, contact Apple support or your bank directly. There might be a temporary block on your account due to a security concern or a billing issue with your bank. Call the number on the back of your card or navigate to Apple support's website. They can help pinpoint and resolve the issue. If you use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch, ensure your watch is also connected to the internet and that its software is up to date through the Watch app on your iPhone. Finally, make sure your iPhone has the latest iOS update. Go to settings general greater than software update and install any available updates. Software updates often include fixes for Apple Pay issues.